Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Choosing from the Heart. Thank you for joining me live and on the replay. If you are catching this a little later in the day, let me know you're here with the hashtag replay so I can say hello and send you some love and answer any questions that you might have about this energetic forecast for July 9th, 2019. So for those of you who don't know me or just getting to know me, my name is Cindy and I am passionate about elevating humanity's ability to choose from the heart and get the right shit done. I share scientific and spiritual tools that create freedom and bliss, and I used to be known as the Get Shit Done girl, but the lessons that I've learned over the past couple of years have taught me that it's not about getting all the shit done, it's about getting the right shit done. And that's exactly what the energy is today that I'm feeling. We are sitting on a 1 energy day on a 1 energy month in a 3 energy year and in the middle of Mercury retrograde. The 1 energy of today and of the month is asking for something brand spanking new. And the 3 is asking us to amplify that. So I want to talk to you today about the concept of follow through. So many times, and society has taught us that we need to do what we say we're going to do. We need to follow through. We need to get the shit done. We need to go, 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 go. We've got to get that to-do list done. And this used to be me. I totally get it. I understand. I was the get shit done girl. I had a to-do list a mile long. I worked 7 days a week, 15-hour days. I just kept hustling. And for some reason, I couldn't get ahead, and I couldn't figure out why, and all I was doing was harming my own health and hurting myself in an effort to make ends meet, get ahead. I thought that the harder I worked, the more money I would make, and it's all bullshit. And the whole purpose of that is to understand that when we say we're going to do something, and then 3 weeks go by, those 3 weeks have changed energetically who we are, whether we're conscious of it or not. And so in 3 weeks' time, when that thing comes around that you said you were going to do, and it feels gross and you don't want to do it, that's a sign that it's out of alignment with who you now are in the present moment, and it's time to let it go. We are so attached to doing the things that we said we're going to do that we've forgotten that we are human beings with free will, and we get to choose every single moment which action we're going to take. So if you said you were going to do something 3 weeks ago, 6 months ago, yesterday, and today it feels gross to do it, give yourself permission today to change your mind, to say no, to go in a different direction, because the 1 energy is asking you, what do you want? What does your life look like? What do you want it to look like? How amazing could it be, would it be, if you could just release the attachment to anything that you said you were going to do, and you could just breathe into this present moment and ask yourself, what do I want? It's such a beautiful concept, and I invite you to open yourself up to that today, and from that, take an inspired action, and you will automatically experience synchronicity, you will experience bliss, because you and the universe are co-creating together and creating this magic. So the blessing for today is the Knight of Cups. And the Knight of Cups is about dreaming of the possibilities and taking action towards your dreams and ensuring that each action is in alignment with where you want to go. The obstacle for today is the 9 of Wands. And the 9 of Wands is saying it's time to let some things go. Release attachment to the things that you think you should do. So take a look at that to-do list and cross some of it off, because I guarantee you 90% of it does not need to be done. And then the action step for today is the Wheel of the Year. So your action is inaction. Your action is to understand that there is a season and a reason for everything. Don't force anything today. If it feels good, go for it. If it feels gross, wait or don't do it at all. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you have an amazing day. Enjoy this beautiful, fresh, wonderful energy. Tap into the present moment and ask yourself, what do you want? I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye for now. Mwah.